I've just started. I'm only 3 films old. I was only blessed to have this opportunity, and I tried living my part to the fullest. And I'm glad that it has conveyed to audiences like you, and you've liked it, and you're giving it the love and respect. I'm grateful for the respect that you're giving me. I knew since day one, the day I landed in Bombay, that I'm capable of much more. Until now, I don't think I've come closer to, even slightly came closer to what I'm capable of doing. Now, when you tell me, what are you exactly talking about? Am I talking about box office? Am I talking about success? No, I'm not, because that's not something in my hand. Bombay आके ही पता चला कि I can be ये था कि I was a passionate child. I've always wanted to do something, but then I found my purpose when I came here. मतलब कहते हैं ना, अभी आपको जिस फील्ड में चले गए हो तो फिर आप उसी में and I will not limit myself. If you'll tomorrow maybe send me to XYZ department, I will try my best to crack that as well. I'm a human being who knows how to thrive and do best at it. And I'm not going to just limit myself to acting ever. I have no answer to this. That's why I say maybe God knows. How will I know? Yeah, I am from Kashmir. Who do I know here? Who will help me out? Who will back me up? What are the chances? Only your God and your talent can back you up. If people today see this film and they say that I'm capable of, then maybe they'll tomorrow back me up. They'll say, okay, we'll back you up for another project. If I fail, they will not. पूरी दुनिया एक तरफ और आपके माँ बाप एक तरफ. Or they were proud of me. They were happy. They were teary-eyed. That truly mattered. Hi, this is Sadia Khatib. You're watching me on Shubhajit ka YouTube channel. Please go and watch The Diplomat in theaters near you. And thank you so much for all the love.
भाई मेरे दोस्तों, एग्जाम जो है वो उन्होंने दे दिया है. एग्जाम का रिजल्ट भी आ चुका है एंड मोस्ट इम्पोर्टेंटली एग्जाम में फुल मार्क्स के साथ साथ वो जो एक्स्ट्रा 5 मार्क्स 10 मार्क्स जो एक्स्ट्रा मिलता है इंसान को बिकॉज ऑफ दैट गुड हैंड राइटिंग. यहाँ पे मैं बोलूंगा गुड हैंड राइटिंग की जगह पे गुड फिनेस एंड परफेक्ट फिनेस व्हेन इट कम्स टू एक्टिंग. वही एक्चुअली मिला है यहाँ पे सादिया को फॉर ऑल द गुड वर्क दैट शी इज डन विद द डिप्लोमैट. Like I said, the movie is already released in cinemas. You all have liked it, you all have appreciated it, based on a true story. And what more interesting can it get than such true and fine talent coming in the industry? Thank you so much, Jitne bhi log. Can you please make some tali for Sadia over here for all the wonderful. Oh, baja sakte ho aur se. Yes.
Thank you.
Make
so
the
much.
impact happen. Thank you.
Thank you so much.
I'm sure ये तो हम लोग ने हमारे यहाँ पे मिनी सेटअप में ताली बजवाया, but that is the kind of gratification and love that you've been getting ever since it has released, right? And I remember when I saw the movie, I posted an Instagram story and I had this message very loud and clear written key. This is the kind of talent that the industry truly needs to back, because it's fine, it's well crafted, well nuanced. Most importantly, जो balance होता है in terms of getting through the depth of every character, that balance was so well maintained, right? मैं खुद एक थिएटर एक्टर नहीं हूँ, बट जितना एज एन ऑडियंस पर्सपेक्टिव मैं समझता हूँ, आई नो दैट you've done it, you've learned it the hard way, right? In terms of all the hustle, theater bolo, getting the craft on point, etc. Even if you have not done it, वो दिखता है on camera. What's the magic that you think has worked for you?
First of all, thank you so much for all the lovely compliments and words that you have said. They really encourage us. I truly feel that any art form is the most spiritual journey. It's not something that you learn. See, I've not done theater. I've not done any workshops. I've not gone to any acting school. So I'm not someone who can sit here and talk about the acting and all that stuff. I don't know. I've just started. I'm only 3 films old. I was only blessed to have this opportunity, and I tried living my part to the fullest. And I'm glad that it has conveyed to audiences like you, and you've liked it, and you're giving it the love and respect. I'm grateful for the respect that you're giving me. About my work, it is not that calculated. When I say that, I truly feel that your craft is majorly spiritual. By what I mean is that you don't know what when cracks. It has to be somewhere from there that you're able to pull it off. Otherwise, it is really coming from a zero space for me. It is not coming from me doing certain thing, or me putting certain effort, or me trying to uh, so I will not go there. I will not tell you, or I can make it look like very fascinating to you that I went there and did this and no, nothing. It's clearly God's will. It's really His plan. It's really Him helping me out. It's really the collaborative process of all the filmmakers I've worked with. It's really my director, my co-actor, my art, the art department, my costume team, who made me look the part. And then it's my God who helped me believe that I was the part. From Manushi and Surushi, who were the costume mafia, from the art department, from Shivam sir to John sir to Jagjit Sandhu, who played Tyre. Everybody went together, they collaborated and created an atmosphere for me where I could really feel and believe that I was that girl suffering and going through all that. So, and then it with the there is nothing that you can do. I think it's a collaborative process with the help of Almighty that you're able to pull that off.
You know, I'm very surprised. I must say that you said that you know कभी अपने theater वैसे अपने जाके you have not done because आपके काम में वो दिखता नहीं है, right? And you know it's very easy to say all that fancy stuff कि मैंने ये किया है वो किया है, I've done this done that, ये hustle drill वो etc. So I love the way you're being raw about whatever you have done, and I think that honesty is what makes you relate to the audience. मैं एक चीज जानना चाहूँगा आपसे, and I want you to be very honest without being diplomatic at all, because you're talking about the diplomat. Do you personally think the kind of hard work that you're bringing to the table, you know, the industry, you know, should be ready and mentally ready for talents like you and most such talents like you? Because कभी कभी क्या होता है ना कि for people who are not having that background, थोड़ा सा resistance होता है. But then when they prove themselves with such fantastic performance, that resistance starts to close, right? Do you feel that you have what it takes जो होता है ना to be the next big thing, slow and steady? And I know it's difficult to predict that way, but अंदर ही अंदर mentally वो feel आता है, वो confidence आ रहा है अभी से कि you know I can make this thing happen, इतना तक मैं पहुंची हूँ, आगे जाके also it's only onwards and upwards. Do you get that feeling अभी?
I knew since day one, the day I landed in Bombay, that I am capable of much more. Until now, I don't think I've come closer to, even slightly came closer to what I'm capable of doing. Now, when you tell me, what are you exactly talking about? Am I talking about box office? Am I talking about success? No, I'm not, because that's not something in my hand. Here, I'm precisely talking about my art form, my talent, the work that I deliver. I truly feel that I'm not even close to Uzma. I'm not even close to Shanti, Gayatri, or anything that I've played so far. I am a completely different person. I'm a today's girl living a today's life, exactly like how you are, and all the people, all the stylists, and everybody who's in the room. Exactly, I'm like you all. But the characters are a blessings that has been sent down upon me. I was since day so I'm very sure that if you will bring on my table something else, even more challenging, even more crazy, something that you can't imagine, I'll be easily, but I'll give my all to it, and I'll definitely do it better than anybody else right now who can you think of. Because the only thing I have right now with me is faith, a trust in God, and faith in myself. I don't have any backup. Like obviously, I don't have anybody backing me up. I don't know if people are seeing my work right now. How many people are seeing? If industry is seeing, if industry is not seeing. If there is anything, it is not coming from a point of narcissism or any point of self. All that cringy stuff that actors overconfidence. It is purely coming from the fact that I have faith in my creator. I have faith in my God that He will sail me through it. He will bless me with that amazing. Like I told you, I cannot credit it with myself that I acted and I did. What did I say? I'm only saying that I know that He made me do it the certain way. I will make that little prayer and He will make me Uzma. I will do that. The magic will happen. So for future also, I'm completely relying that if Allah Mia has picked me up from Kashmir, bought me in Bombay, I'm getting all this appreciation for something that I have not learned, for something that I don't know of, for something that I have no awareness of. Acting is not my family's job, neither my job to know about what exactly is acting. If He has helped me flow and say, for sure He's gonna make my path even bigger and better, and hopefully better. Bigger is obviously, again, if it's in my destiny, it will happen. But even if it's the smallest of audition, even if it's the biggest of film, whatever opportunity will come my way, whichever I will pick and I'll do, I'm sure that I'll make sure that it's you can't, like, even if film works or film doesn't work, I'm hopeful and I'll try my best that nobody says anything bad about my work. I'll give my best to it. I will not take it lightly or for granted.
It's like results आपके control में नहीं है, but the efforts हमारे control में always है,
Absolutely,
and you
absolutely.
are always gonna give 110
Yeah.
out of 100. That's
Maybe
I think
1,000.
maybe 1,000. I think
Yeah.
that's how it is. You know, it's so interesting because the life in Kashmir and life in Mumbai. In fact, a life in Mumbai, I would say, मैं बोलूँगा अलग है from any other city. I'm born and brought up in Kolkata. The life over here is so different from Kolkata. I'm sure it's entirely different what you've seen in Kashmir, right? पहला दिन in Mumbai. Do you remember the best flashbacks?
Yeah, it was magical because I came for Shikara, right? So, yeah, Bombay welcomed me with the most open arms. The city has given me so much. My first job came from here. My first salary check came from here. My first appreciation came from here. I love the city. I love the potholes. I love the traffic. I love the dust. I love the pollution. I love the stinky breeze of ocean. I love everything about the city because whatever I've received in life is only from the city.
जब से आप आए हो यहाँ पे बॉम्बे में, it's taken you some time to settle down, right? Settle down to the atmosphere, settle down to.
No, not at all. Since day one, I felt like it's my home.
So you felt it
Yeah,
like
yeah.
your home.
Even if I plan to go back to Kashmir, I'm there for 10-15 days. When I'm planning, I'll stay there for a month.
So Bombay
One more call and I'm back.
They're like Bombay बुलाता है
Every
आपको.
single time. I will plan right now that
Yeah.
I want to go and have a break and I'll go to Kashmir and spend at least 2 months. No chance. I know within 15 days I'll be out. होगा कुछ नहीं होगा वो नहीं पता है. But the city calls me. It doesn't let me go and I hope it stays the same forever.
आपका जो professional drive है towards your work, compared to what it was before you came to Mumbai, and now when you are in Mumbai and you're doing good work and आगे जाके और better करोगे, वो professional drive में कितना बदलाव आपने देखा है ever since you've been in the city?
See, मेरा कोई professionalism drive कुछ था ही नहीं. इससे पहले मैं एक student थी. मैं लिटरली एक इंजीनियरिंग स्टूडेंट थी जिसको पता भी नहीं था कि उसको लाइफ में क्या करना है. बॉम्बे आके ही पता चला कि आई कैन बी ये था कि आई वाज अ पैशनेट चाइल्ड. आई ऑलवेज वांटेड टू डू समथिंग बट देन आई फाउंड माय पर्पस व्हेन आई केम हियर. मतलब कहते हैं ना अभी आपको जिस फील्ड में चले गए हो तो फिर आप उसी में and I will not limit myself. If you'll tomorrow maybe send me to XYZ department, I will try my best to crack that as well. I'm a human being who knows how to thrive and do best at it, and I'm not going to just limit myself to acting ever, neither with characters nor with the profession. But when once you're in it, then you give your all and you give your best to it. That's for sure.
जब से मूवी रिलीज हुआ है, I'm sure, and I've been following your Instagram as well, you're getting appreciation from all corners, right? DMs बोलिए, ये बोलिए. Often हमारे इंडस्ट्री में भी ऐसा होता है कि like you know, even if somebody is not known to you personally, अगर कोई अच्छा काम करता है, some people sometimes make an attempt or that extra effort to call that person, किसी और से नंबर लेके या फिर एक मैसेज डाल के, that can mean the world to that person because that individual is starting and embarking on a different journey altogether. आपके साथ डिप्लोमेट के बाद ऐसा कुछ हुआ है?
Yes, a couple of people have done that. Not many, but whosoever has, I'm grateful. Makers have. It's a special feeling. It's like, you know how you work hard for days and days and days and months and years and you're waiting and one day finally people acknowledge it. And as an artist, we are so greedy. Our art form is totally dependent on the validation. When I say box office is also directly proportional to the validation. Like, okay, how many numbers of people are watching it, how many people are liking it. So it's whatever I do today. I'm not relying on any client or my boss. My boss is my audiences, right? I'm not relying to go back. I don't have any boss. I don't have any client. I don't have anyone to go back and show the report to. My ultimate goal is appreciation. People love it. People love me. If people will love me, I'll make money. If people will love me, I'll be able to do more work. So it only, that there's a saying that only fans make stars. Only fans make stars. So yeah. Is there any saying like that or just I said that?
ये ऐसे बोलते हैं लोग, generally
और I just said
fans ही बनाते हैं लोगों को, fans ही तोड़ते
so you
लोगों
know
को,
how it is. I mean that's all about it.
You know, the city is also called Maya Nagari for a reason, right? So and there are various funny tales around it as well. A lot of good talent sometimes when they're not around the right set of people, कभी-कभी वो लोग खो जाते हैं, and it's a very difficult city to be a part of and survive and thrive, right?
Yeah.
आपके हिसाब से सही टैलेंट को, सही अपॉर्चुनिटीज मीट करना, स्पेशली एट द स्टार्टिंग स्टेज ऑफ करियर, आई वुड से, बिकॉज इवन इफ नॉट लाइक डेब्यू बट यूर जस्ट 3 फिल्म्स ओल्ड राइट नाउ, स्टार्टिंग स्पेस में वो कितना इंपॉर्टेंट है, बिकॉज if the right kind of people are pushing you, if the right kind of people are backing you, then automatically your brand value, so to say, becomes 3x more than what perhaps it originally was. So आपके लिए, how do you think that मतलब वो कितना important है, or do you think how important is that going to be going forward for you?
I
Because
don't know.
raw talent तो भर भर के है, वो दिख रहा है on screen.
I don't know. I have no answer to that. I have no answer to that. That's why I rely everything on destiny. I have no answer to this. That's why I say maybe God knows. How will I know? Yeah, I am from Kashmir. Who do I know here? Who will help me out? Who will back me up? What are the chances? Only your God and your talent can back you up. If people today see this film and they say that I'm capable of, then maybe they'll tomorrow back me up. They'll say, okay, we'll back you up for another project. If I fail, they will not. I don't know. I don't have any answer to that. And people are really supportive here. People are really like, they want to work with people who can work. People are very professional. They are all here in the business. Everybody, each and everyone knows their job and they're only focused about their work. So it is important or it is not important. I'm sure it is very important. But how do you crack that? I don't know.
John Abraham is a fabulous actor, as we all know, and whatever roles he literally gets into, वो दिल जान डाल के एकदम he does every bit of it. What's interesting is that despite this being one of your, early career ke movies, you have left an equally important mark alongside John, which I'm sure again you did not know कि वैसा होने वाला है, but it's a part of destiny, it's a part of your routine, it's a part of your life, right? What has been his reaction to the love that you have been getting post the release?
I don't know. I'm yet to speak to him about this. I'm gonna definitely ask him once next I speak to him. I'm still trying to process it myself. I'm sure he's also happy. And yeah, let's see.
सबसे interesting family में क्या क्या reactions रहे ever since the movie has released and it's doing so well?
मेरे लिए मेरे पापा का रिएक्शन सबसे इम्पोर्टेंट है, मेरी माँ का रिएक्शन सबसे इम्पोर्टेंट है. पूरी दुनिया एक तरफ और आपके माँ बाप एक तरफ. और they were proud of me. They were happy. They were teary-eyed. That truly mattered the most.
I mean, this movie was about bringing the entire country together because भारत की एक बेटी जो है वो उधर फंसी हुई थी and भारत की बेटी वापस भारत आ गई. It's like अपने घर आ गई, right? Yeah. So, and in a very sweet way, it was also a very interesting and emotional tribute to Sushma Swaraj ji as well. जो कि अपने time पे when she was there ruling the part, we can truly call her as एक होता है ना जो the person who truly charges up the country, भारत का charger, right? Yeah. आपके हिसाब से in today's time, it can be any sports personality, it can be any movie actor or any other personality. आपके हिसाब से वो कौन है? That quintessential भारत का चार्जर जो पूरे भारत को चार्ज कर देता है the moment he or she is doing any kind of work. आपके हिसाब से वो कौन है?
Someone who's right now the भारत का.
Yeah, मतलब जो whenever he or she is doing good work, the entire country lifts up in terms of emotions. आपके हिसाब से वो कौन है ऐसा?
क्रिकेटर्स ही अपने इंडियन क्रिकेट टीम है, जब वो कुछ करती है तो पूरा हिंदुस्तान पटाखे फोड़ रहा होता है और खुश हो रहा होता है. या इंडियन क्रिकेट टीम ही अपनी तो जय हो.
जय हो. And of course with all the glory recently that has
it's our Indian cricket team who's doing the fabulous
you
job.
follow cricket अपनी तरफ से बहुत ज्यादा? You don't follow much cricket, but कोई बात नहीं. I mean ये जो भी है जितना भी है that's there. आपके जिंदगी में वो स्पेशल that करो दिल की मर्जी क्या रहा है, where you have wholeheartedly listened to just your heart, you have not kind of fallen into any sort of advices or suggestions that came your way, you just followed what your heart said, and today you're very proud of that decision that you took. वो क्या है?
Lately the choices, when you're under pressure, when you're under security and everybody insecurity, when everybody around you is like, do this project, including your parents, your peers, and everybody, just do it because there's no work happening right now and you have to do. And then you take a call, no, I deserve better. And then you take a call, no, let my film come out. No, I don't think I'll settle for this. Which is something not for you. Like the Bao mein aake. When you had to literally fight everyone and take a call of not doing something. Fight with like really big people. That's what I did. And I'm very proud of it.
Do you think your ability to handle pressure and stress has kind of improved a lot more ever since you have been this independent girl?
Yeah, totally. I can. I mean, I don't think there is anything that can put me down. And I'm also I'm very fearless. I'm not someone who's scared. And I don't fall under the trap of hierarchy. So that I think helps me. And I think that should help people, girls generally also in life.
fearless लड़कियों से कभी-कभी they're all shadies in their own right? कभी-कभी लोगों को आसपास fearless लड़कियों से डर लगता है. Have you ever seen an environment where you've just been yourself, you've not done anything extra, you've just been the fearless personality that you are in real life, but then you've kind of intimidated people around you?
A
So
lot of times I hear
coincidence
that.
बताओ, please, we would love to hear.
Generally, a lot of people, and that backfires sometimes because then if I have like that, even I don't know, like I can't recall an incident right now, but it happens. But I'm not generally very intimidating in person. I don't think I am.
No, of course not.
But then where situation requires, where I know that other person shouldn't take. People sometimes take actors for granted. They think they're just whatever. So at that point, I know I have to take a stand for myself and my integrity and my personality, and you can't just do whatever you want. It's a tough world to be a part and not just industry. So you have to make sure that you stand on your ground.
I'll put you in a bit of a fix for an option right now. Hypothetical situation, of course. A rock solid script with, say, a new director, or say a script which might not be the kadak, but still you have got a great production house or a director backing that project. What do you think would be the ideal move for you at this juncture of your career?
At this point of my time, I will take the bigger production house and bigger, because for the fact that if I love this script and the makers are fresh, I don't know if that film will be made or no, because we live in a circumstances where there are a lot of finances issues,
so
production issues. So despite of a film being extremely beautiful on the script level, I might as well take that film script level and bring it to the production who can make, because a lot of factors are involved, financiers, and sometimes the films are made, sometimes the films are not made. So when there is a strong production house backing up a project, you know that it will happen, it will work. Despite it will be released for the fact it will be released, and it will be when once someone is making a film, then people who have made the film
ultimately aa jayega.
And there's a chance with the other one that they doesn't even get made.
there भाई एक कहावत भी है फेमस मुंबई में इंडस्ट्री के बारे में कि पिक्चर तो बहुत बनते हैं लेकिन असली पिक्चर वही होता है जो रिलीज होता है.
Exactly my point.
I would love to understand your point of view in terms of in today's time. पहले भी होना चाहिए था, but अभी जाके our generation, young people, I would say people in their 20s or early teenage, etc., they prioritize their mental health equally alongside the work pressure. कभी-कभी वो ज़्यादा भी होना होता है because long run में वही काम आता है. Work pressure eventually long run में doesn't sustain, but your mental health is of utmost importance, right? And you said that there was a time when you were waiting for your movie to release. Very brave and tough call to do because you don't know what's going to happen around the situation pe. What does it do to your mental health? Does it, of course, enhance in the long run? But उस समय पे what are the kind of difficulties that you're dealing mentally? वो क्या pressure रहता है जिसके साथ आप regular fight कर रहे होते हो?
Pressure ही रहता है जिसके साथ आप regularly fight कर रहे होते हो. It's like gym जाते हैं ना, हमें अच्छा नहीं लगता जिम जाना. जिम में बिताए हुए 2 घंटे मुझे बिल्कुल नहीं पसंद. मतलब मुझे वो उठाना नहीं पसंद, मुझे तकलीफ हो रही होती है. बट मुझे मालूम है कि जब मैं घर जाऊंगी आराम मिलेगा, और अभी कुछ नहीं दिखा मुझे इमीडिएटली, बट अगर मैं ये रोज करूंगी, एक दिन मेरी बॉडी पे रिजल्ट आएगा, मेरे बाइसेप्स आएंगे, मसल बनेगी. सो ये सिंपल सी कहानी उतनी है कि जब तक आपका तकलीफ, जब तक आप टूटते नहीं हो, आप बनते नहीं हो. तो आपके लिए you have to go through a process to become something. So that is also very important, I think, in today's time. And also, life is not all roses and flowers. You have to go through all kind of aspects of life, and you have to be ready to explore. You have to be ready to, when you say that now I'm here in any field of life, then be open to receive all aspect of it. Today I don't know who is going to interview me, who's the person, from what baggage that person is. Like right now, I've been subah se giving interviews and I'm drained. Maybe the makeup artist has done such a fab job that maybe I don't look that tired. The costume has made me look a certain way. But right now inside say I'm a dead body, okay, and I'm answering but if I was coming from a restaurant and we would have met outside, then I must have given you more chirpy.
And I would love to ask you this one, I would say the second last question would be कि जितना आपने काम अभी तक किया है, there's always been a lot of gratitude, etc. But आगे जाके भी ऐसा होगा where things will work your way, things will not work your way. वैसे situation के साथ deal करने के लिए एक जो mental toughness होता है, do you feel that you have developed that toughness already?
I hope so, but I don't know. I will only get to know once I reach there. How can I say it so fast, so early? I will know it once I'm there. I'm just right now hoping कि कोई अच्छी script crack करूँ और कुछ नहीं.
But hasn't offers already started coming your way?
Alhamdulillah, it has.
That's good. That's a good thing,
That's
because
a good
I would have been very surprised अगर वो नहीं हुआ था, because the kind of
Not
clarity.
many, a couple of them, but thank
अरे और अब आ जाएगा, उसमें क्या है, 2-3 आ गए तो उसमें मल्टीप्लाई हो जाएगा, उसमें क्या है.
बस वही चाहिए. उसमें से एक ही आप करोगे, दो करोगे, जो भी करोगे अच्छी करो, वही मैटर करता है.
Quality over quantity is what that matters.
आखिरी सवाल. Always said that. I've always said that. Yeah.
That should ideally be the belief.
That's my line for mantra: quality over quantity.
Absolutely. And the last question, आपके लिए, it's very, I'm sure you must been asked this quite often, but then personally मैं जानना चाहूँगा सबसे difficult scene क्या रहा था for the movie?
बुनैर का sequence, last sequence. अब तो मुझे खुद हट गया ये जवाब. The last sequence.
Okay. Fair enough. Guys, that was the wonderful Sadia over here, and I'm sure you will see her work going forward आगे जाके और ज़्यादा अच्छे से. Diplomat में सिर्फ ये चालू हुआ है, I wouldn't say Diplomat में चालू हुआ है. Diplomat has taken the curve to a new level, and I'm sure it's only going to enhance the curve आगे जाके going forward. Like I said, offers आ रहे हैं और ज़्यादा 2x 3x level पे offers आए is what that we would truly hope. And give her all the love. I think you're already giving that with her work on screen in the Diplomat. आगे जाके और भी जो करे उनको ढेर सारा प्यार दो. Give her everything that she deserves. And thank you so much. That's a wrap on the Sunny Z Show. This is your host Shubhajit, and I'll see you all with another interesting episode very soon. Thank you so much. God bless. Take care. Stay safe. And thank you.